Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from Nellie Belle's. We're going to be creating a very simple mani today. We're going to start off with Reina, which is like a beautiful purple. It has a very slight shimmer to it. It's really beautiful and it's just the right amount of brightness that I wanted in this mani. And then we're also going to be playing with a really fun glitter called Amour. We're also doing the gel method today, and we are dipping a set of press-ons today on the shape short coffin. And everything that we're using in today's video can be found in that description box below. So this color right here, Reina, it's a really just gorgeous purple, and it has like a very just like subtle shimmer. And I really like this color. I also will let you know right now that this color would look even better if you were using dip liquids. It would really bring this powder to its full potential. It still works with the gel method, but you're gonna get more of like a vibrant color if you were using dip liquids with Reina. So just keep that in mind. So overall, we're gonna be doing a very simple mani. We're gonna do four nails total with this beautiful purple, but then we're gonna go ahead and bejewel the nails with just a really fun kind of design on each nail. And we're going to pull in all the really fun elements that are found in Amour. Now, when you see Amour in action, you're going to understand why we bejeweled the nails. It's a really just a fun glitter. I have never seen anything like it before. And at first, I was going to go ahead and just do one nail of Amour and kind of have like Reina be the star of the show. But then once I went ahead and dipped into Amour, it was like a total game changer. I also was thinking of pulling in a decal as well on this nail, but Amour definitely needed a moment on its own. All right, so we're finishing up the second dip here, and you can see here that this color is even going to be more rich and vibrant. But again, if you were using dip liquids, it would be another level. So what I'm going to do now is finish up the second dips off camera, and then we're going to dust off, and then we're going to move on to that really beautiful glitter. So here's what the two dips look like. It's a very, very beautiful purple and just like the right amount of brightness. Okay, so Amour, it's a party starter. So it's a mixture of beautiful black, like black fine glitters, but it also has some navy in there. There is pink, there is gold, there is rose gold. There is just different tones of pink glitters on all different sizes. You can really see like that base kind of just like pull through. And then that base is like the perfect amount of darkness that just lets those glitters kind of just like shine through. But the best part about this glitter right here, not only does it have like this really fun mixture, but everything is also laying flat. It also has like shard pieces in there. You can see like up by that cuticle line, we had like a gold piece that I just completely dusted off there. But we're going to go ahead and dip again. So we're going to pick up even more elements in this beautiful powder. But there's also little foil pieces of gold and like a rose, like pinkish color. And then there's like these shards. So it's overall really fun. It's like a party explosion, and it's a really unique glitter, and I just love the color combination. Depending on what colors you're going to pair with it, it's going to pull differently. Now this would look awesome with like a bright orange. It would really let those purples kind of shine through, but I love it. I like how it has like circular glitters as well, and then it has like these tinier circular glitters in there as well. It's a really awesome combination. So now what I'm doing before I press everything down, I'm just gently cleaning up those sidewalls and the free edge here. And then we're just going to press everything completely flat till we get it how we want it before curing, because once I cure this nail, and if there's any glitter sticking up, that's how it is going to cure. And then we're not going to have as like a flat of a surface as I want. But the more time you spend pressing everything down, the better the nail is going to look. So this is really fun, and we're going to go ahead and cure this, and then we're going to hand place a few more pieces of glitter here just on a couple bare spots here. I just wanted to fill it in ever so slightly, but yet I still wanted that gorgeous sparkly base to just like shine through. So right there was like a little bit of a gold foil piece, and then I'm just looking at it, I'm like, okay, we need a little bit more sparkle right there at that cuticle line. So that is what we're going to be doing. We're just going to add a touch of sparkle, but I really like the difference of this glitter mixture. I like how there's like a slight little bit of foils. I feel like the foils definitely add a little bit more dimension, and then you have like these irregular glitter pieces. So I cured, and then before we move on, even though we cured, I'm just double checking everything to make sure everything is laying super flat, and then we're going to dust off, and now we're going to go ahead in hand placed glitters on all the nails here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a layer of gel base on the nail, and I am not going to cure. And if you're using dip liquids on this in your hand placing glitters, just keep in mind that that dip liquid might have a faster drying time, so you might need to go in a couple times with your dip liquid. So now I'm just making sure that nail where I'm placing the glitter is going to be exactly where I want it. So when you're making a press on and you're looking at the nail, like how you'd be looking at the nail forward, like it is on the stand right there, it's actually going to be reversed on how it looks if you did a design on that press on stand. So that's why I was like flipping it around, making sure that when I put that nail on, that design is exactly where I want it. So for this nail right here, I really wanted to hand place the glitters kind of in just like a fun design, and I'm gonna end up doing it on this side, and then we're gonna go ahead and place some on that free edge as well. We're going to focus on the cuticle line right now, but this glitter is really fun. Now I will say I am picking up some of those really fine black pieces of glitter. I'm totally okay with it, but a way to avoid that would be to shimmy some of those larger glitter pieces out and just hand place them that way. But I did not want to waste any of this beautiful glitter. Also, I am using a sample size just to put it in perspective for you on what is in that cupcake liner. But if you wanted to avoid those fine black pieces of glitter, definitely go ahead and pour some of that glitter out on your desk surface or your nail station area, and then you can really focus on what glitter you wanted to pick. Also, you could use a lint-free wipe with a little bit of alcohol in it, and you could definitely clean up those glitters a little bit before you go ahead and place it on the nail if you really wanted to avoid those super, super fine glitters, but I was totally okay with it. So I did cure, and now we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit more gel base. Now, if you are worried about your glitters moving around with that gel base that's not cured, feel free to go ahead and flash cure as you go or do a full cure, whatever you feel comfortable with, and add to the glitter to your heart's desire. So whatever design you want to do, however much glitter you want to use, it's really going to be up to you. Hand placing glitter is really fun. I love it so much. So that's what we're going to do here. We're just going to do different glitter designs and use different pieces here from this beautiful glitter. We're going to use some circular glitters. We're going to use some shards. We're also going to add some foils as well, but overall super fun. So I feel like this glitter would also be really awesome with a black mani. So like an all over black mani, but make it, instead of a glossy finish, do like a matte finish, then go ahead and hand place the glitters. I think that would be super, super fun. It would kind of give it like more of like a geode or like bejeweled kind of look. Also, I feel like doing some color blocking with this beautiful glitter. I mean, options are truly endless. Okay, so right there you can see we picked up a big piece of foil, which I love so much. It's like this beautiful rose gold, and you could honestly pair this with so many things. You can even do like a white nail and then add all this beautiful glitter to it. It would really look awesome. You could do pinks, you could even do a red. So I did the rest of the glitter placement off camera, and I also did the filing and buffing before we went ahead and placed those glitters on. So then to seal in this mani today, I'm going to go in with a layer of gel top coat. Now, the top coat that I'm using today, it's pretty awesome. It is a 2-in-1 top coat, so you do not need to use a gel base prior. You can just go directly into this. It has a little bit of a thicker consistency, and it also helps prevent anti-chipping, and it is HEMA free, so I do really like this. I feel like it just really seals in the whole mani and kind of just levels out all those glitters and gives it like the perfect shine. Plus, I like that I do not need to go in with a gel base. So if you've ever experienced any flaking or peeling, this might be a good option to dabble in. So I am curing as we go today for a full 60 seconds. We're just finishing up the top coat on the last nail here, and here's the finished mani. It is definitely giving me all these like jewel tone, bejeweled colors, and I'm totally loving this. It's a very simple mani, but yet we jazzed it up with some just glitter placement nail art. And there's no rhyme or reason on like where we placed it. It just all came together, and I really like how it turned out. And I had so much fun playing with that fun glitter mix. I'm sure you could tell I went on and on about that beautiful glitter, but this right here is like a great, awesome combo. We still have like this darkness to it with like that solid glitter nail, because like, not solid glitter nail, but with that background of like that rich darkness to that glitter nail. I really like how that black's pulling through. And then we have like that pop of brightness here with that beautiful purple. And then of course we have all that sparkly bejeweledness to this mani. All right, so everything that we did use in today's video can be found in that description box below. Stay tuned. We will be playing with more dip powders from Nellie Belle's here this month on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one.